Welcome to my channel. Today is January 15, 2026. And are you ready to learn more Filipino language? Well, let's start. Sea. In Visayan and Tagalog, the same, dagat. Land. Yuta in Visayan, lupa in Tagalog. Earthquake. Linog in Visayan, lindol in Tagalog. War. Gera in Visayan, digmaan in Tagalog. Water. In Visayan Tagalog, the same. Tubig. Fire. Kalayo in Visayan, apoy in Tagalog. Ship. Visayan and Tagalog, the same. Barko. Airplane. In Visayan and Tagalog, the same again. Aeroplano. Vehicle. Sakyanan in Visayan, sasakyan in Tagalog. Cloud. Panganod in Visayan, ulap in Tagalog. Alright, this is all for today and have fun learning. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share, continue learning, and see you in my next video.